What is the mirror? Mirror is a mapping relationship between the upper limb and the lower limb. So in trauma and injury, a lot of times the problem happens in the limbs. That means upper limbs or lower limbs. And there is a mapping relationship there. And that helps us to decide what points we're going to use. What are the mirror relationships? Very simple. The finger map the toes. Just picture it, okay? I know the Westerner people, when they learn things, they'll always like to think and memorize in a linear way. But I really suggest you do the picture, right? The image itself. The mirror is imaging or mirroring the toes. The hand mirror the foot. The ankle mirror the wrist. The forearm mirror the lower leg. The elbow mirror the knees. You just follow it from the distal to proximal and picture it. Then that's how you see it. Upper leg mirror the upper arm. And the hip mirror the shoulder. This is a mirror concept. I just created a different terminology so we won't have a confusion. What is the image? Image is the limb map the body with the head. So when we use the terminology, use the terms image, means, the relationship between the limb and the head and the torso. I bet you've been watching puppy shows when you were little. That's the imaging concept. You see the puppy show, right? Hello, good morning. How's everybody? Right? You have a good time? This is the image, right? This is the head. And you can nod head. You can see each other, right? You can shake your head. So the hand is the image of the head. The elbow is the navel level. The shoulder is the hip or genital area. So this is the puppy. So there's no lower limb, upper limb involved, just the upper limb to picture the head and the torso. That's the relationship of the image. So where is the neck? Can you picture this and tell me where is the neck? The wrist. Did you see the picture? This is the neck. Okay? And this is elbow, is a navel line. Okay? So this is what the image means. It's by the proportion. There's no one-on-one relationship of the image. For example, if you ask me on this puppy show here, where is the nipple? I cannot answer you because depends on which meridian you are talking about.